Have you ever wondered why flamingos are pink, or why the Earth is round? It's a curious world we live in, filled to the brim with mysteries and wonders that often leave us questioning and pondering. Enter the realm of the unknown, where the ordinary turns extraordinary and the mundane becomes fascinating. Did you know that a single bolt of lightning has enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread? Or that an octopus has 3 hearts? Imagine that, an octopus with 3 times the love. And what about the fact that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Intriguing, isn't it? We're embarking on a journey of discovery, diving deep into the world's most interesting and lesser-known facts. So buckle up, my fellow knowledge seekers. Stick around to uncover the truths behind these fascinating facts. Here are some astonishing facts about the natural world that will blow your mind. First off, let's talk flamingos. You know, those tall, graceful birds with the vibrant pink feathers. You might be surprised to learn that flamingos are not born pink. That's right, they are actually born with gray feathers. So, how do they end up pink? It's all about their diet. Flamingos munch on brine shrimp and blue-green algae, which contain a natural pink dye called xanthocyanin. Over time, this dye accumulates in the flamingo's feathers, turning them from gray to pink. It's like nature's version of a hair dye. Next up, the octopus. This sea creature is renowned for its intelligence and ability to change color and shape. But did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? 2 of these hearts work exclusively to move blood beyond the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing for the organs. The third heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, explaining the species' penchant for crawling rather than swimming, which exhausts them. And now, let's delve into the world of the tardigrade, often called the water bear. These micro-animals are almost indestructible and can survive in extreme conditions that would be deadly to most life forms. They can endure temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. They can withstand pressure about 6 times greater than what is found in the deepest ocean trenches and can live without food or water for more than 30 years by entering a state of suspended animation. Now, if that isn't a survival strategy, I don't know what is. Nature indeed is full of surprises. It's like a never-ending treasure trove of wonders that never ceases to amaze. So next time you see a flamingo, an octopus, or even hear about a tardigrade, you'll have a few fun facts to share, courtesy of the astonishing natural world around us. Now let's venture into the vast universe and its astonishing facts. Our universe, home to the Earth and billions of other celestial bodies, is a marvel in itself. It's estimated that there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Yes, you heard that right, 2 trillion. Each galaxy is a grand cosmic assembly of millions, billions, or even trillions of stars. And mind you, these are just the galaxies we know about. The actual number could be much higher. Now let's talk about the speed of light. It's the fastest thing in the universe, traveling at a mind-blowing speed of around 186,000 miles per second. To give you an idea, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us on Earth, which is nearly 93 million miles away. Next, let's debunk a common myth. Despite what some might argue, the Earth isn't flat. It's an oblate spheroid, which means it's mostly spherical but slightly squashed at the poles and swollen at the equator. This shape is due to the Earth's rotation. And no, you can't fall off the edge because there isn't one. Now let's dive into the mysterious realm of black holes. These are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Despite their ominous name and reputation, black holes play a crucial role in the universe. They help in star formation and might even be key to understanding quantum mechanics, one of the fundamental theories in physics. So there you have it, a brief journey into the vast and incredible universe. From the countless galaxies to the speed of light, the round shape of the Earth, and the existence of black holes, it's clear that our universe is filled with wonders that are both mind-boggling and awe-inspiring. The universe is a truly fascinating place, isn't it? Moving on, have you ever thought about the extraordinary capabilities of your own body? Let's start with something that may make your skin crawl, literally. Your body is a bustling metropolis for bacteria. In fact, The number of bacteria living in and on your body is estimated to be about 39 trillion, almost matching the estimated 37 trillion human cells you have. It might sound shocking, but don't worry, most of these bacteria are friendly and crucial for our health. Speaking of shocking, let's talk about the speed of a sneeze. When you sneeze, you're setting off a bodily reflex that can send those tiny droplets flying at an incredible speed, up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah can run, and it's happening right under your nose. On the topic of speed, consider how fast your body works to keep you in tip-top shape. Each day, your body produces about 300 billion new cells to replace those that have died. That's more than the number of stars in our galaxy. It's like your body is hosting its own daily fireworks display on a cellular level. Take a moment to appreciate your heart, that tireless worker in your chest. In an average lifetime, it will beat about 2.5 billion times, pumping millions of gallons of blood throughout your body. It's the most dedicated pump you'll ever encounter. And it doesn't even take a break. And let's not forget the brain, your command center. It's only about 2% of your body weight, but it uses up to 20% of your energy resources. It's the ultimate multitasker, controlling everything from your heartbeat to your emotions, while also processing complex thoughts and memories. It's easy to take these things for granted, but when you stop to consider the intricacies and efficiencies of your body, it's nothing short of mind-boggling. Each part, from the smallest cell to the most complex organ, works in harmony to keep you alive and well. It's amazing what our bodies can do, right? Finally, let's turn our attention to the everyday things around us that hold surprising facts. Let's start with something we all have in our closets: jeans. Would you believe that this staple of modern fashion has been around since the late 1800s? Levi Strauss, a German immigrant, invented them during the California gold rush. He noticed miners needed durable pants, and voila, the birth of blue jeans. Next up, a favorite childhood toy, the Slinky. The Slinky was never meant to be a toy. It was actually a failed experiment by naval engineer Richard James in the early 1940s. He was trying to develop springs to support sensitive equipment on ships. One day, he accidentally knocked one of his prototypes off a shelf, and to his surprise, it walked down instead of falling. His wife suggested they turn it into a toy, and the rest is history. Now let's talk about money, specifically the dollar bill. It's a fact that a dollar bill isn't built to last forever. The average lifespan of a dollar bill is just about 18 months. After that, it's likely to be too worn out from all the hands it's passed through and ends up shredded and recycled into new bills. Ever wonder why popcorn pops? It's because each kernel of popcorn contains a tiny drop of water inside a circle of starch. As the popcorn heats up, that water begins to expand. And when the pressure gets too high, pop! The kernel explodes, turning inside out and becoming the delicious snack we all love. Lastly, the humble paperclip. Did you know it's a World War II symbol of resistance? Norwegians wore paperclips on their lapels as a silent protest against Nazi occupation. A small object with a big history. So even the most mundane things can hold surprises. So, there you have it. A collection of facts you can't miss. We've journeyed through the realms of nature's splendors, from the tiniest microorganisms to the grandest landscapes. We've explored the universe's mysteries, diving into the vastness of space and time. We've marveled at the intricate workings of the human body, a living testament to nature's perfection. And we've uncovered the unexpected facts hidden within our everyday items, turning the mundane into the extraordinary. This world, our universe, is a treasure trove of fascinating facts waiting for us to uncover. Each day offers a new opportunity for discovery, a chance to learn something we never knew before. As we delve deeper into the mysteries around us, we realize that knowledge is not a destination, but a journey. Remember, there's always something new to learn if we keep our minds open. Until next time, stay